Exams are stressful, but certainly not the worst thing that could happen to you. Parents make it difficult, but friends don't make it any easier either. I learnt of an approach to sail through my exams from Dr. Sameer Parekh, a psychiatrist from Fortis Healthcare, and I want to share this with you. Let's start with the basics. A table is meant for studying, the bed for sleeping. An uncluttered table without your phone, laptop or other distractions is the right approach. Study one subject at a time. Make a flexible schedule and plan ahead for the next 2 to 3 days. Breaks are important. There's only that much you can retain at a stretch. Take a short break every 45 minutes. It's a good idea to leave the room at this time. Concentration exercises like striking off all E's from a paragraph or focusing on a single instrument while listening to a song work. Memory pills don't. Highlight important points while skimming. Use flowcharts and mnemonics to remember better. Ever felt like you forgot what you read just yesterday? 1, 2, 7, 15, 30. Revise on these days to make sure this doesn't happen again. If you get anxious, try self-tests. Create an exam environment and give yourself marks. This way, you won't need a teacher to tell you what you know and don't know. No smoking, no caffeine. It's a myth that they help. Sleep for 7 to 9 hours. And I don't mean in the classroom. On the day of the exam, be confident. Don't talk about the subject or paper with your friends, and do not try to read at the last moment. Once you have the paper, read only the first question. If you know it, answer. If not, move forward. Divide your time based on the marks for each question. It's not a race. Don't look at the number of supplementary sheets others take. Don't keep looking at the clock. You don't need to be the first one to finish. And once the paper is done, it's finished. So no discussions, no analysis. Give yourself some time to relax before you start studying for the next exam all over again. More importantly, if you need help, reach out for it. Talk to a friend, family member or teacher. You can always call us on our helpline or write in to us at mentalhealth@fortishealthcare.com.